Long back, when we were teaching students, something happened. We asked one of the student, who abolished slavery? And his reply was John Robinson. We then asked him, what is slavery? And he said, it's out of syllabus. Now that might look funny at first, but if you look at the magnitude of the problem, you'll understand that students today are just being taught to reproduce information and not become problem solvers or innovators. If you look at the UN data, it shows that 20% of the youth in India is still employable.
Only 20%, yeah.
Only 20%. So students being completely dependent on external resource for academic learning and the lack of experience in design thinking and problem solving are some of the major challenges we are facing right now. In today's automated world, we need students to have their 21st century skills, which are emphasized by the United Nations. Now we're just doing that. So Involve is the first ever organization in India which strengthens the learning of students and imparts 21st century skills to them using peer teaching. So we train and mentor senior school students in their formative years of age, which is 12 to 16 years, to teach their juniors.
So 2 years back, when we were kind of working with different education organizations, we stumbled on this idea of peer teaching and empowering students through that. And we thought, let's just try it out, right? So we worked with two pilots in Delhi and Chennai, and we ended up impacting around 200 students. And the phenomenal response that we got from parents and the students as to how it improved them and how the impact stories that we had really motivated us to kind of starting full-time operations in Chennai. Right now, we are working with 80 students, and we've been really successful at creating classrooms where students are independently learning from each other without any adult intervention, right? And I think that's what we want to do. Our mission is to create many more classrooms like that in years to come. And when we talk about the vision, we really want to create an affordable and accessible ecosystem where students are empowered towards personal self-directed learning and personal growth. At Involve, we are building tomorrow. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.